Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super exciting and absolutely vital for the future of learning, the ultimate guide to AI in education. What to expect in 2025. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence is going to shape classrooms around the globe, you're in the right place. Now, before we begin, let's take a moment to reflect. Imagine a world where your education is tailored just for you. What if teachers could anticipate your learning style and adjust the curriculum accordingly? This isn't just a dream. AI is set to transform education, and in this video, we're going to explore how. First off, let's discuss the role of personalized learning. AI systems will analyze each student's performance and adapt lessons in real time. For example, if you're struggling with a particular math concept, AI can identify this through your answers and provide additional resources or adapt questions to help you understand better. Isn't that incredible? Next up, we have intelligent tutoring systems. These are going to be game changers. Picture having a knowledgeable assistant available 24/7, ready to help you with a question or a problem at any time. AI tutors will provide explanations, practice problems, and even feedback, allowing for a more interactive and engaging learning experience. How cool would that be for those late-night study sessions? Now, you might be wondering, what about the role of teachers? Aren't they going to be replaced? Not at all. AI will actually enhance the teacher's role. By taking over mundane tasks like grading and planning, teachers will have more time to focus on what truly matters: engaging with students and fostering a supportive learning environment. How do you think that shift will impact student-teacher relationships? Let's not forget about accessibility. AI can significantly improve education for students with disabilities by providing tailored resources, automated transcription services, or even utilizing speech recognition software. We can make learning more inclusive. What are your thoughts on how AI could help bridge gaps in education accessibility? As we look ahead to 2025, we also need to consider ethical implications. With great power comes great responsibility. We must ensure that data privacy is prioritized, so solutions must comply with regulations and protect student information. How do you feel about the importance of consent and data in the educational landscape? Now that we've covered some key advancements, let's talk about the skills students will need. In a world where AI is prevalent in education, critical thinking, creativity, and digital literacy will become essential skills. Students must adapt and learn how to work alongside AI systems. What skills do you think are crucial for future learners? Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to think about how you can get involved in shaping this incredible future. Whether you're a student, teacher, or parent, your voice matters. How do you plan to leverage AI tools in your educational journey or influence others? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Your support helps us bring more insightful content to you. And be sure to comment below with your thoughts on AI and education. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us today. We've just scratched the surface of what's to come in AI and education, but stay tuned for our next video where we delve into the ethical dilemmas of AI use in everyday life. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember to subscribe.